Alive! Hello, good evening, everyone. Welcome back to Hustle Diaries with Marianne. And yes, I am back again after a few days of being quiet here. And honestly, I haven't been feeling well this past days. And hanggang ngayon, medyo recovering pa rin. So, excuse my still paos voice tonight. But I still wanted to show up and reconnect with you guys, right? So, for those who are new here, I am Mary Ann from Manila, Philippines, and now based in Ontario, Canada. I'm a wife, a mom, and someone continuously learning through life. And for today's topic, people around you. Because real talk, the people around us affect us more than we realize. Minsan nga, nakakahawa yung energy ng mga tao sa paligid natin, di ba? If you're surrounded by negativity, complaining, or people who always doubt everything, eventually, ikaw rin ang maapektuhan. But when you're around people who encourage you, inspire you, and genuinely want to see you grow, but yung impact, no? And I realized this over the years. Environment matters. Not just the place, but the people too. Kasi minsan, comfort feels safe, yeah? Yung familiar ka na safe, same conversation, same mindset, same habits. Pero growth usually happens when people around you challenge you, right? They may be the same people, but they challenge you to think bigger, dream bigger, and become better. And honestly, I'm grateful for the people in my life who remind me to keep growing while still staying true to myself. You know you who you are. That's my tribe. People who support you during good days and even during quiet, recovering days like this. Because life already gets heavy sometimes, yeah. So it's important to protect your peace and choose people who bring light into your life. So, ngayong gabi, gusto ko itanong to sa inyo. Sino yung mga tao na tumutulong sa inyo maging better version of yourself? Tag them or simply appreciate them today. And if this message resonates with you, thank you for spending a few minutes again with me today here on Hustle Diaries with Mary Ann. Take care of your health and protect your energy. And I'll see you again for day 12. Bye!